Okay folks, like I said, 319 Parkside Drive in San Marcos. Walk up the driveway looking at the nice garage door. We'll just take a little walk up these steps up here to the front door. Gorgeous wood and glass metal on the front door. Come on into the entryway where we've got an office, den area here to the left, then out into the living area and into the kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, plenty of storage in the cabinets, some storage in the island, reverse osmosis water filtered over there on the right. Nice, huge pantry, plenty of room for everything you need. And hey, there's laundry in here too. We'll come back around here and see what's upstairs. Brand new 20-year carpet installed, never been lived on, and also has a pet protect on it. Here's your kind of flex space upstairs, just to the left when you come off the stairs. Master over here to the right. Let's check out these extra rooms first. You got 1, 2 at the other end of the hallway here. And then you've got your extra bathroom here. Water softener and tankless hot water heater ready to go. Constant hot water, as much as you want. And here we are back to the master suite. Nice big master suite. Should be able to fit your bed. And here we are, master bath. Got a linen closet to the left. Big, huge shower stall. Very nice shower head. Double sink vanity, plenty of room. And master closet with some extra cool little shelving in here. Very handy. And back out to the master. Pretty sweet little place here in San Marcos, Texas. Come check it out. Saturday 1 to 3.